Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to factory reset Ecovacs deebot vacuum robot. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, start by ensuring your deebot is powered on. You can do this by pressing the power button on the vacuum itself. This step is the same no matter which model, or in this case model of deebot you have. Now look for a small button near the Wi-Fi symbol on the vacuum. This button might be just above or next to the Wi-Fi icon depending on your model. So take a moment to make sure you found the correct button. Now once you've found the button, press and hold it for around 5 to 12 seconds. Keep holding until you hear a sound. So this sound indicates that the factory reset process has started. So be patient and make sure to hold it long enough for the reset to initiate. Now after you heard the sound, the deebot will be restored to its factory settings. You'll know the reset is successful when you found, or in this case when you hear the sound play. Now your deebot may restart or reconnect to the Wi-Fi afterwards. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.